Hello guys, hope you're having a fabulous day and welcome back to another Citrix Lab Setup series, and in this video we are going to create a mission catalog and a delivery group. So let's get started. So this is my CTX core server where we have installed all the core components, and I have opened my Citrix Studio already. So on the left hand side you can see mission catalogs, app disk, delivery group and many other options, and our goal is to create a mission catalog first and then a delivery group. So if you look at the right hand side you can see this action panel, and here click on create mission catalog, and yes, the introduction window, click on next. And in the operating system we have given three options. One is server OS, desktop OS and remote PC access. And server OS is what we are going to choose, but other than that we also do have desktop OS where we can provision Windows 10 or Windows 7 or any other operating system that you would like. And in the remote PC access, this is only for the physical machines that you have in your office, but you still wanted to access it through Citrix. So for that we are using this remote PC access. So let's click on started having server OS selected. Next. And our machine is not power managed, and neither we are using MCS nor PVS. So I'm just gonna select another service or technology and click on next. And the machines, if you have a bunch of machines you can input the list from here, but for this lab setup we just have only one VDA, so I'm gonna select add computers, and my VDA server name is just VDA. Check names, yep, click OK and next. So let's give the name CTX, one second, okay, CTX hyphen lab hyphen MC. So MC as in mission catalog, so I'm just keeping the same and finish. Okay, now we have created the mission catalog with our newly created VDA machine as well. And usually in the summary page you will see all the details about the mission catalog and what are the missions that is part of this mission catalog and who are the admins. And from the right hand side, if you want to add more missions you can click on add missions, and same like before you can import the list or add computers from here. And if you click on edit mission catalog you can just change the description of the MC, and view missions will show you the existing missions just like you saw from here, and you can delete mission catalog or rename mission catalog from this page. So we are done with the mission catalog, so let's move on to delivery groups. And on the right hand side from the action panel click on create delivery group. So the introduction window, we can skip this. And the missions, so what are the missions which are available from the mission catalog which will be shown here along with the name and the type and how many missions. And in case you have two missions available in the mission catalog you can increase 1 to 2, but we just have only one mission, so let's click on next. And the users, you can allow any authenticated users or restrict use of the delivery group to the following users. So I'm just gonna restrict, so you can see the difference between them. So I'm gonna give alpha credential access, click on OK, and I'm not going to select give access to unauthenticated or anonymous users, so I'm not gonna use that. And also I'm not going to use the second option which says sessions must launch in the user's home zone if configured. Anyway, the zone is not configured since it's a just a lab setup, so I'm going to click on next. And the application, so just for the testing purpose I'm going to select only Notepad, So as soon as I selected this option, this will DDC will contact the VDA and then find out all the available applications in the start menu of VDA. Okay, let me select Notepad. Okay, and there are different options how you can publish the applications, but we will get to that part in a different video. So for this video I'm just gonna select Notepad alone, and if you click on Notepad, the properties options will be shown here. You can click on that, and from here you can change the icon name, or you can create a folder here, so that whenever you're logging into StoreFront, the folder will be visible. For example, you can give the name as test. Let me give CTX -lab. So I'm gonna create a CTX-lab folder, and inside the folder you will see this Notepad. And in case you want to change the icon, you can click on change, and you can choose the default icons. Other than that, you can choose the icon from the computer. You can browse and select whatever the icon you would like to give for the Notepad or any other application that you publish. So for now I'm just gonna keep as it is, and here you can add shortcut to users desktop, or from the how do you want to control the use of this application, whether it unlimited use for the user. I mean, user can launch any number of times. Other than if you limit the number of instances running at the same time, you can give 10 or 15, so the application cannot be accessed more than 15 times. And also you can limit to 1 instance per user. If I enable this, I can launch the Notepad only once. So I'm not gonna enable those, and I'm just gonna keep allow unlimited use. And then if you go to location, it will just show the executable file path, and you will also have command line arguments or working directory. So we will get to this part when we are publishing Chrome or IE or any other application, and this is for the different video. And limit visibility, so I'm just gonna select show this application to entire delivery group. So I have access to delivery group, so that this application will be visible to me as well. But in case if I have another user and only he should be able to access it, then I can limit visibility for that person alone. Zone not configured, so I'm gonna just click on OK and click on next. And the desktop, so let me add CTX-lab, and I will talk about the tag feature in a different video. And for now I'm just gonna allow everyone with access to this delivery group to use this desktop. And enable desktop, it's by default enabled, so click on OK and next. And delivery group name, I'm gonna give CTX-lab-DG as in delivery group, and finish. So creating the machine catalog and delivery group, we are done with them. And if I open it, you will see the our newly created VDA added here, and it is in registered status. And there are some cool PowerShell commands, but that is also for a different video. I will be showing you guys all the different useful PowerShell commands with respect to Citrix in the later video. So for now we are done with the machine catalog and delivery group creation. So as a recap guys, In the previous video we have installed the VDA, and in this video we have created machine catalog and delivery group, and in the next video we will be configuring StoreFront, and we will be discovering and playing with all the different options that we have in StoreFront. So stay tuned, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Have a great day. Bye bye.